Well, I am the only David DeHaas.
Well, I'm not. There's several David DeHaas's, and that would be rather arrogant of me to presume
That's
that.
weird.
What?
So we're gonna cut paper out there.
No, we're just gonna take it as it is, the paper stuff. But we got to load really tight to get both these. Camera. I like cameras. It needs to be a Leica. Leica, no.
No,
They tried to get into the digital era
they tried.
before the digital era started.
Red box. Who's that? Doshi?
Cards. Sure. Go.
I like to look at those. After we found coins in every damn one of them last time. Paper.
Greeting card, it says. Receipts from Walgreens. What are you opening? Oh, how are we going to film it if you open it up?
Film yours.
No, don't open them up till we film them. That's how we do it. Please inform him not to open anything up till we film it. Yeah, thank you for ruining the suspense on it. So that one sucked a little bit. Now we're looking at this one for the second time because Michael didn't want to wait for us.
Why you got to tell everybody?
Because I got to be honest.
No
It's the
one's
only way
gonna
I
know.
roll.
Sterling.
Oh, this is Sterling Silver. Look at that.
Yeah, look at
All
that.
right, Alex.
Well, they heard you guys say it in the previous unboxing box.
No,
Just books.
just books and that.
These are weighted.
I learned Mikey language.
It doesn't matter. Like even these books, if
Hey,
the
look,
worst
you can
comes to
learn how
worst,
to
we
cook.
throw them away. I know how to cook. Teach you a thing or two.
You want to have a cook-off?
Do whatever kind of off you want. Do whatever
Hey,
kind
we'll have a Christmas cook-off on Christmas Eve.
of. What kind of?
That's why it was heavy. $6 in candles. We made a mess so beautiful. Hi, girl.
I woke up in London, and these things won't fade away. And when the night falls in around me, I don't think I'll make it through. Rolling Stone, that's a good one. Hoyt. Vanilla Fudge. Is that like another way of saying white chocolate, vanilla fudge?
Could be.
Yeah, look at that.
Can use that too.
Priorities.
Ow, that hurt.
Just a big wood it's a display case.
Big empty wood.
Oh yeah, it's packed by movers. Wind totally sucks out here today, so it's gonna make the volume on these videos like crap.
Yeah.
Tank book.
Is that cool? World War II.
No,
Huh?
it's not cool.
How do you know?
just
What year was it? What year was it made?
It's not cool. I know it's cool when I see it.
There's Anthony.
Alright, I'm over that.
We figure it out as it comes. Uncle
Yeah, Uncle Mike, we'll be fine. You're manifesting those problems into our life.
Cool.
I don't like this stuff. That's what being the locker whisperer is all about.
The locker whisperer. So what is this box? Half and half?
Looks like a plate.
Looks like a trailer box.
This was
Susan Lucci. You didn't even know what that was.
It's Susan Lucci right here.
Yeah.
Face cleaner.
Find them all the time. They're fake.
And then a radio on the bottom.
Yeah. Told you. 2 radios in the speaker box.
Nope.
No, you don't see silver. You see some nickel.
huh?
Not silver, Uncle Mike. You see the
See
target.
the what? See where it says? It doesn't say sterling on the bottom.
I can't see trying my glasses on.
No.
Sterling.
No. Doesn't say sterling. No.
What's that say on the bottom of it?
No.
It don't say
sterling.
nothing. Uncle
Yes,
Mike.
it does.
No, it doesn't. It says Rogers and Bro. It's Rogers and it's Bro.
That don't mean nothing good.
No. The only possibility is in that
It's
white
sterling.
box right there.
Yep.
That flag. Nope, not that box.
Look at everything.
Yeah, with
Ping box.
Copper?
no, you're right. That is copper.
It's a nice box. Off nail polish. The pins. Another 1,000.
It's a
nice
magic
shell.
conch shell. That's $20. No jewelry.
I'm looking for some. Call back, man. There might be some more pills in there later, but we gotta look. Fully unload.
You're the bad dog. Huh? You can go to the old man.
It don't matter. I already told you I'm gonna call Chevy Chase and he's gonna stand in my yard. I'm going all in on this 50-buck bet. Her closet. I like her closet, so that's usually. You're doing good. All right, we'll get you one. You probably set that down up there when you go in. We're hunting wabbits. Nope, there's no jewelry in here.
Wabbits.
Be careful, don't break the towels.
All right.
Suitcases are my friend. What do we got in here? Freaking paper. Can you wish for something that's worth value?
That's not more value?
Oh.
I need your Elvis and think. Then we got a bunch.
Louis Armstrong, Spanish Home, Sweet Soul. Brass Impact, Roulette, 3 o'clock music, Monterey Jazz Festival, maybe a good one. Butterfield Blues, Best of West Montgomery, Four Seasons, Daydream, The Rolling Stones is alright. Steppenwolf,
Four Seasons are good too.
Bob, Darren, Private Eye, blah blah blah.
Blah 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 blah. Times blah blah blah.
You guys do
good
read
one.
that shit.
That's a good one. Yeah, this is a good thing. We should put him in the back and let him come look at him.
Yep. Al Green,
Oh,
Neil
Al Green,
Diamond. Yeah, we'll put those over there too.
2 lines.
I don't spend a lot of time on my phone.
Juju.
Uncle Mike, you live on your phone. Champ 4 Cron News all day and night.
Yeah, did you hear about this?
Show us your
Did you hear
Safari
about
right
the
now. I
guy-
bet you have 100 windows open in news right
Oh, they're
now.
right now open.
Battleship.
Let's take it easy. You're gonna jinx us.
Battleship. Uncle Mike, why are you grabbing this here? I bet none of them are in there.
I didn't say a word about
Gold.
that. These are, I don't know what, these are, who's this
nice.
guy? Who's this guy? These are coasters with their autograph.
It's not a coaster.
Why can't that be a ring? Because I really want a ring
It's
like
not a
that.
coaster, Uncle Mike. That is a gold, 14 karat gold chain.
No, it's not.
There it is.
That's a silver piece.
925.
I wish I could see like that again.
Can we put that back in
Go
there?
get some right glasses, Uncle Mike. You'll be good.
Here, I'll take this. You do the next
It's a
one.
pain in the ass, pull my glasses out, put them on, put them on, put them on.
Silver.
Rolex.
No.
You know that's not the Rolex, Uncle Mike. Here, top of it. Mike, you can take those.
Come on, be more.
There it is.
Oh, yes.
It's a bag of costumes. We'll just set that aside. Look later. Too much work right now.
Get that, what is it?
Same thing.
Yeah, there's a jewelry box in
The
there.
jewelry box is right there.
Yeah, we're in there.
Come on, baby.
Here you go.
QVC. What's that QVC receipt say?
Says, yeah.
We had too much time in our hands and we bought
19
lots of
bucks.
stuff on QVC and then we lost everything. Empty.
Come on,
Hey,
some
why don't you hit the button? Other way.
Some gold. Some gold.
Bing.
Nope.
Is it open? Hmm. That's heavy. That's
Make
just
a
a
phone.
Here, Uncle Mike. What is jewelry?
Cameras. Camera stuff. Come on.
Here, Uncle Mike.
This might sell.
It's a landline. They don't use those anymore.
Yes, they do.
Sephora. Actually, pretty nice set.
Yeah. Don't pull it out. You're gonna never get back in. Get your own YouTube and then you could do all this kind of fun stuff on your own. I don't do fun stuff.
You don't do fun stuff.
Why don't you have Uncle Michael sit in your lap?
I'm in my chair, please.
Why don't you have Uncle Michael sit in your lap and pet him?
No, Uncle Michael, you sit here next to me. Come on.
Like a family photo.
Sit there.
There's the stool right there. You guys gonna pet your item together? Look at that's so cute. I think you guys got enough. You guys want to hold hands? Yeah. These units we're gonna come back up on tomorrow or Sunday and load that for Stockton. That's Stockton stuff. Down for tomorrow or Sunday, we'll see how it goes. But that's what we got. Even the freaking truck is full. So far, I mean, we lightly rooted the box, but there was a few cool things. Found one little silver necklace or gold necklace, a silver bracelet,